Seawater intake cleaning process. Cleaning a seawater intake box, caixa de mar, is essential to maintaining a vessel's cooling and filtration systems. Over time, these intakes accumulate marine debris, algae, barnacles, and sludge, reducing efficiency and increasing maintenance costs. Here's a step-by-step breakdown of the cleaning process. Inspection and preparation. The intake system is shut down and isolated to ensure safety. Divers or technicians inspect the intake box to assess the level of buildup and blockage. Necessary safety gear, including protective suits, breathing equipment, and water-resistant tools, is prepared. 2. Debris removal. Large debris, such as shells, seaweed, and marine waste, is manually removed using specialized tools. Vacuum pumps or suction devices are used to extract loose sediment and sludge from the intake chamber. 3. High-pressure cleaning. A high-pressure water jet is used to blast away stubborn algae, barnacles, and encrusted marine growth. Rotating mechanical brushes may be applied for more effective cleaning of hard-to-reach areas. In cases of extreme buildup, chemical cleaning agents are carefully applied to dissolve hardened biofouling without harming the environment. 4. Final rinse and inspection. Once the intake box is fully cleaned, a final rinse is performed to flush out any remaining residues. Technicians or divers conduct a final inspection to ensure complete removal of contaminants and proper water flow. 5. Preventative measures. A protective coating or anti-fouling treatment may be applied to slow down future marine growth. Regular maintenance schedules are recommended to prevent excessive buildup and maintain optimal performance. This process ensures that seawater intake systems function efficiently, preventing overheating and mechanical failures while improving overall ship performance.